Hello, in this video, I'm going to review the WholeSun pressure washer from Amazon. Just got this unit recently. Right out of the box, this pressure washer requires minimal assembly. Attach the hose winch and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. This winch is great for storing the hose neatly, and it also has a foldable handle. Mount the power cord holder. The power cord is pretty long, and it all can be stored in the back of the pressure washer. Attach the winch hose to the pressure washer. Attach the sprayer gun extension. Press the button to connect the hose. There are 4 nozzles included: 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. There's also a needle for cleaning nozzles. We also got a small soap bottle for washing cars. Attach the sprayer gun holder. Unfortunately, it only holds the gun on the top, and there's no tray on the bottom to protect it from dirt and scratching. The wheels help with moving it around freely. It is also pretty small and lightweight, so it takes very little effort to carry it around. Most of the attachments can be stored right on the pressure washer, which is great for keeping it organized. However, I wish it had a place to clip on the nozzles as well. Otherwise, I can see how they can get lost very easily. The biggest advantages of this pressure washer are compact and ergonomic design and ease of operation. It only takes a few minutes to set it up. Simply connect the garden hose and plug it in. The longer power cable and water hose allow you to reach most places around the house without using an extension cord. Water pressure is adequate, but doesn't seem to be close to the advertised maximum 3,000 psi. It can handle most DIY house tasks, but I won't count on it for frequent professional or business use. If you need something that doesn't take much space, easy to set up, and only used several times a year, this will get the job done. A big plus is that it is electric and therefore low-maintenance device. You don't have to mess with gasoline engine, changing oil, cleaning carburetors, etc. And with the gas prices these days, it is a lot cheaper to operate as well. I used it for several days and checked for any leaks. So far, so good. The main shortcomings of this product, in my opinion, are I would really like to have bottom tray for the sprayer gun to protect it from getting dirty and scratched. Integrated storage for the nozzle attachments would definitely be a plus. Lightweight design can possibly become a disadvantage. When you move the water hose around, the pressure washer can tip over if you're not careful. Alright, that's basically all I had so far. You can check current prices for this device at the link below, as they may change over time. I hope this video was helpful for your purchase decision making, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks, and have a nice day.